FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, during the handing over of new ambulances to FCT health facilities in Abuja on Thursday. Photo. NAN The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, on Thursday handed over 12 new ambulances to hospitals across the FCT to strengthen emergency healthcare delivery. Speaking during the handover ceremony in Abuja, Wike said the intervention was part of efforts to improve emergency response within the territory's health system. He explained that the FCT Administration's investments in road infrastructure, education and healthcare were interconnected, noting that efficient emergency services depend heavily on good road networks. Wike stated, "So many people were saying, why are we concentrating on road infrastructure? So many people were saying, why are we focusing on education? But people forget that these ambulances may break down when there are no good roads." When patients call during and the roads are not in good condition, then the whole sense of the emergency vehicles becomes useless. So first things first, and that's what we have been able to do as we speak here. The minister added that the FCT administration was in the process of rehabilitating and furnishing 14 health centers across the territory. He also disclosed that the FCT head of civil service and the relevant authorities had been directed to recruit additional personnel to strengthen the health sector. "For us, we will do everything possible to give our people the best," Wike said. Earlier, the mandate secretary of the FCT Health Services and Environment Secretariat, Dr. Olalodipo Fasawe, described the procurement and distribution of the ambulances as a major step towards improving emergency health care in the FCT. She said the initiative reflected the administration's commitment to people-centered governance, emergency preparedness and better health outcomes for residents. According to her, ongoing road projects across the FCT have significantly improved access to healthcare facilities, particularly in rural areas. Under the focused leadership of the FCT Minister, we have been able to see strategic investment in road infrastructure across the city. This has directly impacted healthcare. For example, in areas like Abaji, Kwali, Gwagwalada, the A2 to Pi road construction has made a journey that used to take 1.5 hours to about 30 minutes, she stated. She noted that the FCT administration had also prioritized welfare for healthcare workers, including the payment of outstanding allowances dating back to 2021. She said, "It is heartwarming that this administration has paid allowances that have been due since 2021. I wish to particularly refer to the 13 months hazard allowance for healthcare workers and wage award and the medical residency training fund. I can confidently say that FCT is the only state that has paid all these allowances up to date. There have been many other interventions, including the upgrade of the FCT School of Nursing to a full-fledged College of Nursing. All these interventions show a deliberate and coordinated effort to deliver accessible, high-quality and responsible healthcare for the people of the FCT. NAN